part of EVA Airways. Please help welcome the Assistant Manager, Mr. Pons Caselli.
This is our bogey.
Thank you everyone, good evening. So just to give a brief introduction about EVA Air before booking our flights. So it's really important for everyone here present, including the media, to know more about EVA Air. So EVA Air, just like what RGM mentioned, so we are a privately owned Taiwanese airline. We are founded in March 1989. And we are the #1 airline in Taiwan in terms of passenger service. And right now we have 84 aircrafts and currently ordering more in the future. And we serve 67 destinations over the 4 continents and also the global networks through our partner airlines. And in just EVA Air alone, we have employed 11,000 employees. So we are also the sister company of Evergreen Marine Corporation. So out of 100 airlines, we have been ranked by the Skytrax, which is award-giving body for aviation. So last year, we have been awarded as the world's top 8, take note, number 8 airline in the world. So out of 100, we are number 8. And as a prestigious airline in the world, EVA Air has earned the 5-star airline certification, again, rated by the Skytrax. So this award, the 5-star airline certification, is only given to 10 airlines in the world. So we are really proud that we are one of those 10 airlines. So last year, we have been awarded as a 5-star airline for 9 consecutive years already. And aside from being a 5-star airline, so we have been awarded as the first of the world's best premium economy class airlines catering, first of the world's best premium economy class onboard catering in Asia. Aside from that, so I will not mention also, we have been awarded also as one of the cleanest airlines in the world, best airline cabin crew. So there's a lot more to know about EVA. And here in the Philippines, we have 3 gateways. So here in the Philippines, we are flying 35 times weekly. So we have 3 hubs here in Philippines, namely in Clark, which is our newest hub, which we just celebrated 2nd year anniversary last March 30, 2025. And here in Manila, we are flying in NAIA Airport Terminal 1 and also in Cebu, in Mactan Cebu International Airport Terminal 2. So, just to share with you the flight schedules. So, for Clark, we are flying once daily every noontime and arriving in Taiwan at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So, by the way, this is the summer schedule. Next slide, please. And for Manila, we are flying thrice daily. So, we are flying early in the morning, 5:45. We have the noontime flight, which is the 12:40, and the evening flight, which is the 6:50. So with this 3 frequency, morning, noontime, and evening, you'll have a lot of time to explore Taiwan through day and night. And Cebu, this is similar to our Clark service. We are flying once daily every noontime as well. And we are not just flying, even though we are a Taiwanese airline, Taipei is not our only destination. So, moving forward, we are flying also to United States. So right now we have 6. So later I'll share with you our newest route. We are flying 2 countries. In Canada we have the Vancouver and Toronto. We have 6 in Europe, 1 in Australia, and 14 in Southeast Asia, Northeast Asia, which is the Japan. We are flying, and also in Korea. And lastly, we are flying also in China, Hong Kong, and Macau. So as for our, we understand that not all airlines can cater all the destinations in the world. So which is why we also have our add-on routes. So add-on routes meaning that we are using our partner airlines, especially for our North America route, which is our bread and butter. We are using our partner airlines such as the United Airlines, the Alaskan Airlines. So if you're flying to domestic routes, aside from the destinations that we are offering, you can take EVA Air for the online destinations and our partner airlines for the domestic routes. And as for our products, so this is we are very particular with our products. We have the 3 classes. We have the business class, the premium economy class, and the economy class. For our business class, we have the Royal Laurel class. So this is the